We are launching our GE Café French door bottom freezer with K-Cup Brewing System. This is a revolutionary product and something that we're really excited to be launching. This is GE innovation at its best. GE invented the hot water dispenser. We really wanted to create a feature that really benefited consumers as much as possible. The evolution of that feature was into the K-Cup brewing system that's going to be available on our new GE Café French door bottom freezer refrigerators. Keurig is all about the consumer experience, and so because of that attention to quality, they are really who we wanted to partner with. And so what we discovered more than anything is it's all about convenience, it's all about organizing your way, it's all about having an appliance that does more than just look good in your home. And we will continue to drive towards that to make sure that we deliver great consumer benefits to our customers.